Welcome to Outgrow. Today we're breaking down how a banking giant like Bank of America turns a complex financial decision into a simple, interactive experience and showing you how to build the same kind of tool for your own brand in just minutes. On its website, Bank of America runs a home equity line of credit payment calculator, a smart, interactive calculator that asks visitors a handful of simple questions, including estimated property value, outstanding balance, collateral properties use, property code, total line of credit you want, initial draw amount. Based on the answers, Bank of America instantly delivers a personalized result. That's personalization at scale, and it's exactly the kind of experience you can build with Outgrow in just a few steps. Start by logging into your Outgrow account and select Calculator as your content type. You'll see three ways to get started. Build from scratch, full creative control, built entirely to your specifications. Pre-built template, the fastest path to launch, with a ready-made structure you can customize. Generated quiz with AI, a smart, automated setup that gets you running with minimal effort. For this walkthrough, we'll use a pre-built template to get up and running quickly. Start with your welcome page. Add a heading, subheading, and CTA button, then update the visuals with high-resolution imagery that reflects your brand identity. Next, add your questions. For a home equity calculator that might include, what is your home's current market value? What is your outstanding mortgage balance? What is your credit score? And so on, tailored to the outcome you want to deliver. The result updates instantly with every response. That's the power of real-time personalization. No waiting, no follow-up email required. Head to the Design tab for the finishing touches. Upload your logo, apply your brand colors, select custom typography, and adjust the layout as needed. The goal, a calculator, feels like a native part of your digital presence, not a third-party embed. Before you publish, switch to preview mode and walk through the full calculator end-to-end. Test every question, verify each outcome, and confirm the experience feels polished and intentional. Once you're confident, hit Go Live. From there, share your calculator via a direct link or embed it on your website using the Embed option. In just a few steps, you've built the kind of interactive, personalized experience that leading brands like Bank of America rely on to engage users, capture intent data, and drive meaningful results. Ready to build yours? Sign up for Outgrow's free trial and start creating today.